Hello. If you are finding it difficult to scale your business and increase your turnover, this message is for you because we'll be sharing 5 things you need to do, 5 skills you need to learn for you to be able to scale your business and increase your turnover. By the way, my name is Mba Emmanuel. We'll be discussing today these skills that will help you to increase your turnover and, increase your profit at the same time. So let's dive in without wasting time. Number 1 is AI. That is the number 1 on the list. It is important for you to incorporate AI into your business. Check the key areas of your business that you can incorporate AI. You can incorporate AI into your marketing. You can incorporate AI into your customer relations for faster and cost-effective customer relationship. You can incorporate AI into your data analysis, and it will help you to take decisions faster. You can also incorporate AI into your sales. It can even predict, the future trends and help you to be able to organize and do better in your business. You can also incorporate it into other things. If you are a content creator, you need AI. If you are into education, you need AI. Somebody like me who also runs schools, I'm already training my teachers on how to use AI to generate some of the teaching aids that they need. AI is something that is so powerful that you cannot ignore it at all. So if you are out there in business, look out how you can incorporate AI into your business to expand it and then increase your turnover. If you cannot do that, employ people who will be able to train you on how to do it, and you will see that it will also help you to achieve faster results at the end of the day. Then, if you are also into something like graphic design, AI have already simplified most of the things. I'm also a publisher and a graphic designer. So most of the time, you see that most of the work we do in CorelDRAW can be done today with AI without much stress. Just generate the prompt from an AI tool like ChatGPT, and then take it to an image, text to image AI, and it will just come out with what you want. You can even upload the picture of what you want and tell AI to refine it. So graphic designing, coming up with concept is no longer something that you'll be cracking your head on how to do it. Because once you create the prompt or generate the prompt from any AI tool, then you can take it to another AI tool and then you see something wonderful coming out of what you did. So that is one place you need to leverage on AI. Incorporate it into your business. Don't waste time. Even if you're just starting out, AI can give you business ideas at the same time. Yes, you can make search on AI and help it in whatever you want to do. Whatever is the project that you want to embark on, AI can help you to generate, ideas, and even how to handle such projects. AI can give you ideas. So AI is something that you cannot do without. That is my number 1 on the list to help you to increase your turnover. Then we go to number 2. Number 2 is marketing. If you really want to build wealth, you cannot avoid marketing. Marketing is very, very important for you to be able to build wealth. You can read books that are on marketing. You can go online and do one, maybe 2-3 months course or even 6 months course and get certification. And then you can practice it. It's not just to learn it. You can practice what you have learned and you see yourself excelling in marketing. Because you cannot create a product without selling it. No product will sell itself. So your marketing is very, very important. If you are in a bigger organization, you can employ marketing agents that will help you. But at the same time, you have to lead the market. You have to lead the way. Nobody will be able to present your idea better than you. Nobody will be able to present your idea better than you because you know it. It came from you. So you'll be able to express it better. So learn your marketing skills, improve it. Improve it. You can improve it. You can learn it. We can always learn, relearn, and unlearn. Me as a person, I used to be a very shy person when I was growing up. It was very hard for me to come out in the public and talk or even to talk to people. But when I now find out that on this journey of wealth building, I have to build my marketing skills. Nobody told me to get books on marketing to read. At a time, I was even training people on marketing. At a time, organizations will pay me to come and train their staffs on marketing. So that is how it works. Whatever you know in this life, you learn it. So learn, relearn, and unlearn, and then improve your marketing skills so that it will help you to build wealth at the end of the day. And then you will see the success you will make when you have a better marketing skills. Then we'll go to number 3. Number 3, your relationship. How do you relate with people? Starting from your staffs, your customers, and even your vendors. How do you relate with them? Are you very hostile? Are you the type that when people deal with him or her for the first time, they will not want to come back? Your relationship with people is very, very important. It matters a lot in building wealth. Because the goodwill you enjoy from good relationship with your customers is what will help to sustain your business. You know, I told you I'm into education. For over 10 years, I've been in this industry. One of the greatest things I've enjoyed is the goodwill from parents. Now, I may not be able to enjoy that goodwill if I don't relate well with my parents. Most times, the population we have in the school are actually recommended by the parents themselves, those whom their children are already in the school. They are the ones that recommend their friends, their neighbors to come to us. Now, it is because of the way we manage our relationship with them. But it does not end there. That you manage the relationship does not mean that your product will not be good. People will not be attracted to any product that is not good. So as you are managing the relationship, you need to create value, good value. It is that value that will keep bringing people to you. It is that value that will keep bringing parents to you. It is that value that will keep bringing that goodwill to you. Because if your product is not okay, people will not come. So as you build wealth, you must make sure that you keep thinking on how to improve on your product and make it better. And the more better your product becomes, the better your customers will like it. And the better they will recommend it to another person. So that is how it works. Your relationship with your people is very, very important. Your customers. It is very, very important in any business you are doing. So increase your skills in relationship management. Increase it because it's going to help you to achieve a lot in your business and help you to build wealth. Also, the same way you relate with your staffs. Be a leader to your staffs. Don't be a boss to your staff. Be a leader. So that by the time they see you and emulate what you do, they will be able to replicate it it will rub off. Most times when I organize training for my staffs, some of my colleagues will be asking me, why are you spending money organizing training for your staffs? To tell you the truth, that is what is actually giving us the value. And it is that value that parents are looking out for. So don't think that spending money to train your staffs is a waste of money. No, it makes them better and they equip them with the global best practice on how to handle some issues. That is one thing you need to learn. Increase the quality of staffs that work with you. Be a leader to them. So that relationship that you have already created with them will help your business to grow. And the turnover, you will see it. The profit, you will also see. So let's go to number 4. Number 4, self-leadership. This is one of the skills you really need to develop and hold on to if you really want to scale your business and increase your turnover. Most times when people begin to make wealth, I have arrived mentality will enter them. And what they used to do before, they will no longer do them. And that is where self-discipline comes in. it is important that you have a good self-discipline, doing things the way it's supposed to be, not being careless with your money, not being careless with your working tools, not being careless with your staffs or your customers, or caring less about the things that you used to do that helps you to generate and achieve results at the end of the day. So it is important that you build your self-leadership. If you are not leading well, your staffs and those who are working with you will not work well. So you'll be able to lead in the front. You'll be able to show them examples of self-leadership. You know, it is difficult sometimes when you are at the top and then you are expected to wake up at a certain time for you to be able to go to the office at a certain time, for you to be able to meet a customer or meet appointments, and then probably because of one thing or the other, you try not to keep up appointments, you try not to keep up with schedules. That is very, very important that as a business owner, as a wealth builder, you need to develop your self-leadership skills. Do things the right way, whether somebody is watching you or not. Whether you don't need somebody to motivate you, you need to have self-motivation. Self-motivation is very, very important. It's also part of it. You need to motivate yourself, because when you are motivated, you can now motivate those who are working with you and then help them to achieve the goals of and the objectives of your company or your business. Set smart goals for yourself. Set smart goals for yourself and be able to accomplish them. That is how to lead yourself aright. Self-leadership is very, very important for you to be able to scale your business, because you are the arrowhead of the business. If you are not doing things right, your subordinates will never do it right. They will not, in fact, they will be doing their things based on what they see you do. So that is why it is important that you learn self-leadership and always lead to the front, so that your team, when they are working with you, they know that there are some certain things that are out of the way. They know that these things I cannot do it because my boss will not take it. So that is how to develop your self-leadership and lead from the front so that your team can as well join you. Number 5, data management. This is one of the skills you need to go and get. If you are in business, please go and get the skills, data management skills. Because whether you are about to expand your business, you need data. In fact, data is gold. Whether you want to expand your business, whether you want to introduce new products, whether you want to hire new staffs, the data you keep will help you to be able to know how to do this. It will help you to scale faster. When people visit your organization, do you keep data of those people who are coming? One best way to do this is always print a small form that you give to any visitor who is coming to make inquiries or who is coming to buy product from you, so that they fill it out with their phone numbers, maybe an email address or other things. Then you have a very big book where you now document this, or you can even integrate AI into this and use it to store these data, so that it will help you to upload when you want to send messages or email to these people. That is one way of utilizing data. Data is very, very important. So for you to scale your business and increase your turnover, you need data. Even for you to make analysis, you can input this data into your AI tool, and it will help you to predict and make analysis as fast as possible, and it will help you also in making faster decisions. So that is why data is one of the things that you really need in your business. You need to develop the skills. So develop skills on how to keep data. Very, very important for you to scale your business. So data will also help you to target the right customers. Because of the data you've already kept, you'll be able to analyze the data and then target the right customers based on the product that you are bringing to the table. So that is why data is important. Data will also help you in your supply control chain. Yes, it will help you because it will help you to keep better inventory and be able to know what and what came in. It will also help you to checkmate fraud. Yes, it will also help you to checkmate fraud. By the time you integrate all these things into AI tool, and it will help you to checkmate and then see where there are mistakes. And then at the end of the day, if there is any fraud going on, it will be easy for you to detect. So that is one thing you need in your business, because if you are not able to scale, then there is no way you will be able to build wealth, because business is all about increasing your profit. And at the end of the day, the profit helps you to build wealth. That is how it is done. So in scaling your business and increasing your turnover and having a competitive advantage over your competitors, these skills we'll discuss today will help you to go a long way to achieve that. Click the like button, subscribe, and share the video to your friends. I remain Mba Emmanuel, your business coach. Amy Wealth, Money Lane is a place to be. Thank you for stopping by.